If you have ever dealt with bad credit, you realize how embarrassing it can be. You know how stressful it can be trying to fix it. Say hello to Credit Approve, the first ever credit repair software for consumers. Credit Approve doesn't belong to a credit repair company. It belongs to you. Dispute credit bureaus like TransUnion, Experian, and Equifax in one comprehensive software without having to create an inquiry. Fixing your own credit on all 3 credit bureaus was never this easy. Start off by viewing your credit reports and examining the account affecting your credit. The next step is to select the accounts you'd like disputed and removed. Simply leave the rest to CA's intelligent dispute generator. Imagine having the flexibility to dispute accounts on all 3 credit bureaus at once. Sounds too good to be true? Our algorithm is built to always keep you in the know about your latest credit scores. Gone are the days when you had to be the credit repair expert yourself. But wait, there's more. CA is here to assist you with regard to those difficult undeleted accounts. It does this by leveraging data from real credit experts. CA seamlessly integrates with your existing or new Identity IQ or Smart Credit 3 Bureaus account. Work on improving your credit score over a period of time. You can always cancel once you're done. Credit repair companies that break the bank are so yesterday. So is waiting for results. Bad credit can lead to hard times. But now, thanks to CA, hard times don't have to last forever. Say goodbye to hard and say hello to CA.